plant a little spring planting garlic, and this is a cultivar grown in Hungary. It's called Lelexir, and I'm just going to put them really quickly in this 25 liter pot. I'm using coir with Osmocote, and I'm going to plant these in pots because in Hungary, when I plant them, the spring planting garlic, when I plant them outside, it doesn't get enough moisture, and it gets quickly hot, so the bulbs are going to be very small. And this is why I'm going to plant them now. And I've already cleaned the cloves, and I'm just going to start and plant them real quick. And I'm going to plant them very close to each other because I just want the cloves to survive, because you see it's already started to grow. And these are not going to make good heads for me because of my climate, but if they survive, I can plant them in autumn, and then they are going to make good cloves. So just real quick planting, and I'm going to put some flour sulfur on the bulbs because I wasn't able to drench them in fungicides. So that's what I can do, but flour sulfur is allowed in organic farming, and so I'm going to use it because I have a lot left. So these are going to make really small bulbs, like half size of a normal tulip bulb, but that's okay because when I plant them outside, they're making really small, like this, my fingernail sized, this small fingernail sized bulbs, and I just couldn't find them when I dig the row. So this would be it, and I'm going to cover them with coir and apply sulfur. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.